Amélie Graal from France is in lane 1. Claire Cashmore from Great Britain will swim in lane 2. As we introduce the swimmers, Ellie Cole is in lane 3 for Australia. Stephanie Dixon from Canada is in lane 4. Stephanie Millward, here she is, she's in lane 5 for Great Britain. Elizabeth Stone from the USA. Lizzie Simpkin from Great Britain is in lane 7. And in lane 8 we have Dana Sales from Canada. And they're away. In lane 5, Stephanie Millward looks as though she has the early advantage. She is from Great Britain. But it is very close in the early stages of this race. No one seems to have a big advantage out of the starting blocks, but it's definitely Stephanie Millward from Great Britain. Slightly ahead, though Stephanie Dixon, well, she certainly is starting to stamp her authority on this race. She's moving into the top position as they go into the 50-metre turn. And often there is a chance for the swimmers to make up a lot of ground on that turn, depending on how efficient you are and how you approach the wall. But Stephanie Dixon from Canada, powering her way over the final 50 metres. She's opened up a decent margin over the rest of the field. Looks at least a body length and a half in front from this camera angle. Ellie Cole from Australia, also swimming well. Elizabeth Stone from the USA, she's performing well as well. But Stephanie Dixon, is she able to better her world record mark? She is 1 minute 9.30 seconds to win the gold medal. So the world records here at the Water Cube this evening just continuing to tumble. Stephanie Dixon, 1 minute 9.30 seconds. So Stephanie Dixon in the gold medal position, Elizabeth Stone in silver from the USA, and Ellie Cole from Australia taking the bronze medal.